Hello, friends. Good afternoon, everyone. I hope all are good. Welcome to our Seagull International Weekly Live session. Here we discuss upcoming recruitment and overseas opportunity. Myself, Pratiksha Deshmukh, along with our Vice President, Mr. Shah, and Admin Manager, Mr. Anup Bijrani, who will take you through the live session. Before we start process further, let us once again go through our Seagull International success story. Seagull International has been in the market past 39 years. Seagull International LLP is an ISO certified human resources consultancy. Seagull is approved by the Ministry of External Affairs of Government of India. Is headquartered at Mumbai, India, and having a branches at New Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, Vizag, Kochi, and overseas branches at UK, Sri Lanka, Dubai, Kuwait, Nepal, Qatar, Sweden, and Lithuania. This is a new QR scanner of Facebook. Here you can scan the QR code and get the information related to overseas and recruitment. We will hold the screen for a few seconds. This is a new Telegram QR scanner. Here also we shared recruitment related queries and overseas related queries. You can scan the QR code and get the information. This is also our Instagram's QR scanner. Here also you can scan and get the information related to requirement and overseas requirement. This is our Seagull Staffing Group QR scanner. Here also we share domestic requirement. You can scan the QR code and we will hold the screen for a few seconds. I would like to call our Vice President, Mr. Sham sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Pratiksha. Thank you.
Yeah, over to you, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone who's watching our live section. We thank you for all your coordination and cooperation with for all making success our all interviews, and there are upcoming interviews as well. And we will show you some of the requirement and interview schedule, which held in various location now. Our team will come with the slide now. This is the international company. They're looking for the technicians, electrical technician and INC technician for one of the prestigious company for their nuclear power plant project. It's a maintenance, it's a shutdown work for the 2 to 3 months. It's a totally free recruitment. You can share your CVs, and you're free to walk in to submit your CV with any of their branches and head office. This is for the UAE. We are looking for various categories. You can see the power coating, painting technician, drilling machine operator, cutting machine operator, structural fabricator, blasters, fitters, mechanical helpers, all things. This is also one of the prestigious companies based in Dubai. The client interview will be held in various locations. In the meantime, you can share your CVs and our team will contact you. We are looking for several builders who's having experience in 6GR. हमारे इंटरव्यू आप दे सकते हैं. हमारा ब्रांच का डिटेल दिया है. ये पूरा ब्रांच में हम लोग इंटरव्यू करने वाले हैं. किसको ये एक्सपीरियंस and interested to go for our UAE, any of this international company. आपको हमारा any of the number, email ID is given. उस पे आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. हमारी टीम आपको कांटेक्ट करेगा. This is for Abu Dhabi, one of their international company, for their ADNOC project. It's a long-term project for various categories, urgent requirement. They're looking for QC inspector, multi-purpose, and project engineers and mechanical engineer, project engineers in ENI, project project engineers, civil, HSE officers, appointed person. This is a lifting in charge. And shortlisting is in progress. You can share your CVs. This is for Saudi Arabia, looking for the lead man pipe fabricators, fabrication and pipe fabricators. You're one of the leading contracting company. You can send your CVs and our team will review the CV and get back to you. This is also for the Saudi Arabia. We're looking for various QC personnel, QC inspector plumbing, QC inspector structural, QC manager. You may please share your CVs and we will get back to with the interview schedule as soon as possible. This is for Qatar. We are looking for the various categories for the shutdown, area coordinator, competent electrical person, QC inspector, flying tracking, rigging supervisor, welding supervisor, HSC officers, document controller, store supervisors. Interview will be held by next week at various locations. You can share your CVs and we will contact you. This is for Saudi Arabia die cutting machine operators. आपका हमारे ऑफिस में आके सबमिट कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो कौन सा भी नीचे दिया है ईमेल आईडी में आपको सीवी शेयर कर सकते हैं. This is for one of the international company for the drilling bricks. We are looking for the lifting appointed person, deck foreman, lifting supervisors. Interview will be held by end of this month by the client interview at Mumbai and Cochin. You can send your CVs and we will contact you. This is for another international company in Saudi Arabia looking for the diesel mechanic supervisor and steel plant foundry technician. We have a visa ready with us. You can immediate departure will be in 1 or 2 weeks time. You can walk into our office or submit your CVs. This is for Oman. We are looking for the quantity surveyor planning engineer for one of the EPC company. And it's a very senior position. There's a good salary, the attractive salary and other benefits. Interview will be held in various metro cities in India by end of this month. You can share your CVs, please. ये अबू धाबी के लिए ऑयल एंड गैस कंपनी है, ऑफशोर कंपनी है. शटरिंग कारपेंटर चाहिए, स्टील फिशर चाहिए, मेसन चाहिए. किसको ऑयल एंड गैस एक्सपीरियंस नहीं तो जीसीसी एक्सपीरियंस है, उसको हमारा मुंबई ऑफिस में वॉक इन कर सकते हैं एनी ऑफ द वर्किंग डेज. कल परसों कभी भी आपके हमारा आके सीवी कर सकते हैं. इमीडिएट 1 हफ्ते में डिपार्चर है. ये Qatar, we are looking for the Qatar for the trading and logistic company, transport company looking for the diesel mechanic. You can share your CVs and the good salary is already mentioned, 3,000 plus. You'll get food allowance, accommodation, everything provided. This is also one of the prestigious shutdown project by one of the leading international company for their ADNOC project. The various the position we had given here, all senior position. They will be giving a excellent salary with food and accommodation, immediate departure for the 2 to 3 month shutdown project. You may please share the CVs and our team will contact you. This is for Dubai Travel. We will be conducting interview on 21st at Chennai. You can walk in for the interview or you submit your CVs before the interview. Choice is yours. This is also for the Saudi Arabia. This is one of the EPC project. They're looking for the various categories project control managers, project managers mechanical, project managers civil, planning engineers, senior planning engineers, cost control engineers, senior cost control engineer, construction managers mechanical, construction managers civil. They will be providing good salary with other facilities. You may please share your CVs. Our technical team will contact you. This is also one of the international company based in Qatar. They're looking for the HSC officers and HSC coordinator who's having experience in oil and gas experience, oil and gas project. You can share your CV to any of the given email ID and we will contact you. This for an international company looking for the electrical technician having experience in nuclear power plant project for the maintenance work. This is for the Dubai dry dock, and interview will be held in Cochin on 20th. You can walk in for the interview, or you are also free to submit your CVs to our Cochin office or send the CV to the given email ID. This is Qatar for the Qatar. We are looking for the person who's having experience in Qatar with Qatar driving license. We have plenty of requirement. You can walk in for the interview or submit your CVs. स्ट्रक्चरल फैब्रिकेट चाहिए यूएई के लिए हमारा कौन सा भी हमारा ब्रांच डिटेल दिया नीचे दिया है वही ब्रांच में आपको सबमिट कर सकते हैं या तो ईमेल में भेज सकते हैं This is for Dubai, one of their leading building construction company looking for QA/QC manager civil, planning engineer civil. It's a virtual interview, an urgent requirement. You can share your CV immediately for and we will get back to you with the date of interview in a week time. We have already mentioned this is for the Qatar. We are having interview in Chennai and Mumbai. Chennai on 25th, Mumbai on 26th. Submit your CVs or you can walk in for the interview. Thank you. Thanks a lot. I'm over to Pratiksha.
Thank you so much, sir, for taking out the time and making our live session successful. I would like to call our admin manager, Mr. Anup Bijrani, to take over through the journey.
Thank you, Pratiksha.
Good
Thank you so much.
afternoon.
Good afternoon. Thank you so much,
Yes.
Pratiksha. Welcome, friends. Welcome back. Let me take this opportunity at the outset to thank all of you all for making all our interviews a success. Even in the coming week that has passed by, we have conducted interviews at various locations in India, and it's all because of you all that all our interviews have been very successful. So thank you, friends, so much for supporting us and for being with us and for helping us grow this uh, grow this network of people who go and work overseas. So thank you so much, friends. uh, I'll now take you through the next couple of requirements that we have. uh, Here's something for Kuwait, friends. It's for a leading engineering and contracting company. The client interview for this, uh, friends, please make a note of the client interviews that are happening, so that you all don't miss out on anything. Maybe y'all can take a screenshot of the of this particular requirement. And now this one is for Kuwait. The client interview is on the 27th of June at Mumbai, uh, at Anup Tech in Rabale. It's for ABJ Engineering and Contracting Company, Kuwait. They need vessel fabricators, structural fabricators, welders, rigging and piping foremen, welding foremen, painting supervisors, PWHT furnace operators, rolling machine operators, lathe machine operators, riggers, fab fabricators, sandblasters, mechanical helpers. Friends, this is a great opportunity for Kuwait. Uh, and the client interview is on the 27th of June for ABG Contracting and Engineering Company. Minimum experience required is 5 to 10 years with free food and accommodation. Uh, Friends, Indian experienced candidates would not be preferred except for in some of the categories. So the shortlisting, yes, is going on at our office in Mumbai. So please visit our office in Mumbai and get your CV shortlisted and collect your tokens for the interviews. Again, for the same company in Kuwait and for the same set of requirements. Friends, the client interview for this is on the 22nd of June at Kolkata. This is at the K1 Skill Empowerment Private Limited at Calcutta. Friends, please make a note of, friends, if you all are based uh, in West Bengal, this is the address where the interview for this company uh, is going to get conducted. The client interview is on 22nd of June, again for the same company, for the same set of requirements. Uh, so there is one. So this company, ABJ, friends, is conducting client interviews at various locations. The earlier slide was for the client interview on the 27th at Mumbai. This one is for the 22nd at Kolkata. Again, friends, you all can visit our office in Calcutta and collect your interview tokens. Well, again for the same company, but again the client interview date changes here. It's on the 24th of June at Baroda, and this will be at our office in Baroda. So, friends, please take a note of the venue, which is our office in Baroda, and the interview date, that is on the 24th of June for ABJ Contracting Company in Kuwait. Again, free food and accommodation, yes, would be provided. A minimum experience required 5 to 10 years. Indian experienced candidates would not be preferred except for a few positions, but yes. So the shortlisting is going on at our office in Baroda. Friends, please visit our office and collect your interview schedules. Friends, this one is for Saudi Arabia. It's for a leading heavy equipment company, and it's a long-term project again, and they require supervisors, site supervisors, coordinators, truck pushers, workshop engineers, field service engineers, maintenance coordinators, again in huge numbers. Required experience, 3 to 8 years of experience in facility management, whether it is yard or workshop, in generator repairs, earth moving equipments, and fabrication. So, friends, this is a requirement for Saudi Arabia. The shortlisting is going on at our offices. So, please send your CVs. And if your CVs are found to be suitable, our team will get back to you with the interview schedule. For Qatar, friends, it's a short-term requirement. Yes, but it's for an offshore construction project. They need RT technicians with gamma ray and X-ray experience. Yes, the candidate should be a diploma or an ITI with 7 years of experience in industrial radiology. So, friends, yes, again, this is a very niche requirements. They also need radiation protection officers, and the job description of each position is on your screen. Salary, yes, since it's a niche requirement, the salary would be very attractive with free food and accommodation. The shortlisting is going on at our offices. So, friends, please uh, send your CVs to the given email ID. And yes, if your CVs are found to be suitable by our technical team, we will get back to you. Friends, this is for a leading company in Qatar. I mean, a leading oil and gas contracting company in Qatar. It's a short-term requirement, and yes, they require welders in huge numbers, TIG and arc, uh, CSSS, and full TIG welders and multi welders also 6G. And they need in huge numbers, as you can see. The salary is also mentioned, 1800 to 3000 Qatari riyals, 8 hours duty salary. And yes, the candidate should have a running test card and experience in oil and gas project, or a shutdown experience would be preferred. Friends, the shortlisting is going on at our office in Baroda. The interview for this is going to be is in the scheduling stage. So the interview, the client interview is going to be conducted very soon. So, friends, yes, please send your CVs, or you can also visit our office in Baroda and get them shortlisted for the interview. Again, friends, for the same requirement in Qatar, well, friends, now let me take you through a few requirements that we have for the Indian market, which is we have a few requirements for our Seagull Staffing company, which is a division of our company Seagull International, and this is for Seagull Staffing Solutions, and we have a few requirements here too. So let me take you through the requirements that we have for the domestic market. Friends, this one is for Chennai, and this company requires drivers with heavy license, 2 to 4 years of experience. Uh, they need heavy drivers, local, and they need heavy drivers for traveling to outstation locations. So, heavy license with 2 to 4 years of experience. This is for a logistics company in Chennai. Friends, the address and the contact numbers of our office in Kochi are mentioned, where you would need to send your CVs or call in case you all need any clarification. So the contact number is given on your screen. In case if you all have any queries pertaining to this particular requirement, you can send an email to the ID given. You can also send your CV to the given email ID, and in case of any queries, please contact the number that is given on the screen. Again, this company, uh, which is based in Ennore, they require mechanical engineer and they require an electrical engineer. Again, experience minimum of 5 years. Yes, candidates with experience working in ports or container or terminals would be preferred here. Yes, qualification, diploma or a graduate. And friends, this the email ID mentioned on your screen and the contact number is mentioned on your screen in case you all have any queries or questions pertaining to this particular requirement. In case you all want to know the job description or you all want to know the know the salary details, the contact number is mentioned on your screen. Alternatively, the email ID is also there on which you can send your CVs and post your queries if any. Uh, in case if you all want to visit our office, the address is mentioned. We are shortlisting for these positions at our Mumbai office. Again, this one for Chennai, they need deck checkers. Again, the candidate should have relevant experience of working in ports, of working on containers, and of working on terminals. Qualification, yes, a diploma or a graduate with good computer operating skills. Friends, the contact number is mentioned on your screen. So, in case if you all have any doubts, any issues, any further details you all need pertaining to this particular position, the email ID and the contact number is mentioned on your screen. You all can call anytime during working hours and get your queries resolved. This one is for Chennai. They need quality control operators and tower controllers. Again, friends, all these requirements are basically for basically for a leading port and logistics company, and the candidates required for all these requirements should have relevant experience of working on ports, containers, and terminals. Again, friends, please take a note of the contact number and the email ID on each position. In case you all have any queries, please make sure that you all contact on the numbers that is given on the particular position. And if you see, each requirement would have a different contact number and an email ID. So make sure that when you send your query for a particular position, make sure that you send it on the email ID and the contact number that is mentioned on that particular requirement. Friends, this is for Chennai. Again, for uh, a leading port and logistics company in Katupalli, they require RTG operators. Minimum experience 1 to 5 years. Again, the candidate should have relevant experience of working on ports, containers, and terminals. Qualification, yes, could be a graduate or a diploma holder. Again, the email ID is mentioned on your screen. This is for Katupalli and Ennore. This company requires head of engineering with a minimum experience of 12 years of working on ports, containers, and terminals. Yes, the qualification, the candidate here should be either a graduate or a postgraduate. Again, friends, you all can send your CV to the given email ID. The contact number is mentioned on which you can call and solve your queries or In case if you all have any questions pertaining to this particular requirement, please send an email on the given ID, and you can call on the given contact number that is mentioned. This company requires a superintendent, again in based in Katupalli and in Ennore. Experience, minimum experience of 10 years. Again, the candidate should have relevant experience of working on ports, containers, and terminals. Friends, I hope you all are taking note of the job description as mentioned in the requirement. So, yes, friends, in case your job description matches with what is mentioned on your screen, please send your CVs to the given email ID, and you all can also WhatsApp your CVs to the given contact number. Well, friends, that was our requirements. Those were our requirements for the overseas and for the Indian markets. Let's see if we have any questions here that we can answer. Monsi Chaco Philip, any opening for senior procurement of professionals? Uh, Mr. Philip Chaco, unfortunately, we do not have an immediate requirement for senior procurement professionals, but you can, send your CV uh, to our uh, you send your CV on our email. We will see if we can help you out in future. Inderjit Chauhan, CNC milling operators having 4 years of experience. Inderjit Chauhan, yes, there are requirements for CNC milling operators. You can visit our office in case if you are in Mumbai. Please visit our office in Mumbai, and maybe we'll be able to help you out. Mohammad Shahid Khan, you are an instrument commissioning technician. Uh, Shahid by instrument commissioning technician requirement at the moment, no, but yes, you can send your CV, and please do send, and we will see if we can help you out in case of any requirements in future. Jajula Nagesh, electrical technician position. Uh, Jajula Nagesh, there are quite a few requirements for electrical technician, so please, yes, we do have in short term and in long term uh, projects as well. So just review our requirements, and there are requirements, so you can send your CV in case if you happen to go through any of the positions in our requirements. Ujjwal Kumar, there is a requirement for a tower crane operator. I uh, remember reading uh, a requirement. So yes, there is a requirement. Please, go through this presentation. There is a requirement, and send your CV on that particular email ID which is mentioned on the requirement of uh, of the tower crane operator. And yes, our team will definitely get back to you. Offshore requirement is there, Sukhjit Singh. Immediately send your CV. There is a requirement for offshore riggers. Sonu, there is a requirement for a driver job in the Gulf. Uh, Not in Kuwait, we have in Saudi and we have in Qatar, but currently there is no driver job available in Kuwait. Uh, but yes, there are always requirements for drivers in the Gulf. So please send your CV. And yes, we do normally get a lot of requirements. So immediately, if there's a requirement, someone from a team will get back to you. Indrajit Kumar Jaiswal. Yes, we do have a lot of requirements for pipe fitters. Uh, you can visit our office in Mumbai. Currently, too, we are recruiting for pipe fitters. Yes, the client interview I think is going to get conducted very soon for pipe fitters. So send your CV or visit our office immediately, and we'll get back to you. है अयान खान, लाइट ड्राइवर का जॉब है. आप आइए हमारे ऑफिस में, अगर आप मुंबई में हो. है हमारे पास. Hello sir, I am painter position oil and gas project. You have 8 years of Gulf working experience, Shakir bhai. Yes. Uh, I would like to know whether you are a spray painter or a brush painter. But yes, we do have a lot of requirements for painters. But you have to clarify whether you are a spray painter or a brush painter, so that I can answer your question properly. But yes, we do have requirements for painters. Pradeep Raj, you are an arc welder. प्रदीप राज, रिक्वायरमेंट्स वेल्डर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट्स तो बहुत सारी हैं. अगर आपने ये पूरा प्रेजेंटेशन देखा है हमारा, तो प्लीज़ अप्लाई कीजिए डेफिनेटली. और काफ़ी क्लाइंट इंटरव्यूज़ भी होने वाली है वेल्डर्स की, तो आप अप्लाई कीजिए. वापस ये प्रेजेंटेशन देखिए, उसमें काफ़ी सारी रिक्वायरमेंट्स है. केतन बड़ेतिया फॉर दुबई, एनी वैकेंसी इन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सुपरवाइजर? एट द मोमेंट केतन भाई, we do not have any vacancy for an electronic supervisor. But friends, before I continue with some more questions, if there are any, let me also tell you that we do have a lot of requirements for candidates who have worked on various projects in a steel plant. So there are a lot of requirements for a steel plant project for various requirements. So in case if uh, candidates, if you all have experience of working in steel plant, please do send your CVs. Yeah, maybe for any position, because we do have a lot of positions, so a lot of requirements. So for any position, if you all have worked in a steel plant on any position on any particular project pertaining to a steel plant, please send in your CVs to us. I would be sharing the email ID towards the end of this presentation. And yes, Pratiksha will be sharing the email ID. So please send your CVs in case, because we have huge requirements for steel plant project. So in case if there are any more questions, we can address. मैकेनिक फिटर दुबई के लिए, दुबई के लिए मैकेनिकल फिटर नहीं है, लेकिन दूसरे गल्फ कंट्रीज के लिए है संजय कुमार. अगर आपको इंटरेस्ट है तो आप आ जाइए हमारे मुंबई ऑफिस में, तो आपका सीवी शॉर्टलिस्ट करके अब्दुल वहाब शेख रिगर, रिगर की तो बहुत रिक्वायरमेंट्स है अब्दुल जी, बहुत। देखिए ये प्रेजेंटेशन उसमें है रिगर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट, आप सीवी भेजिए, या अगर आप मुंबई में हो तो आइए हमारे ऑफिस में। गुप्ता जी इलेक्ट्रिक, आपने ये क्वेश्चन लिख के मेरे को भेज दिया, इसका मतलब मैं समझा नहीं। इलेक्ट्रिकल टेक्नीशियन है, इलेक्ट्रिशियन है, इलेक्ट्रिकल सुपरवाइजर है? Well, friends, thank you so much and for joining us today. And I hope
Thank
I
you.
have managed to, yeah. I hope I have managed to answer quite a few queries. And thank you so much for joining us. Over to you, Pratiksha.
Thank you so much, Anupajani, for taking our live session very smoothly. Now, I would like to forward the mail ID and phone numbers and address of the branches. This is our head office, Mumbai, where the address and the mail ID have been given on the screen. You can share your resume on the mail ID on the phone, and you can call on the phone number for the requirement or for the inquiry purpose. You can take down the screenshot or you can note down. We will hold the screen for a few seconds for your. This is our branches at Kochi and Chennai. Mail ID and the address, phone numbers have been given on the screen. You can visit our branches and share your resume on the given mail ID and phone numbers. This is our branches at Baroda and Delhi. The email ID, phone numbers, and address have been given on the screen. I will prefer to take a screenshot and note down somewhere, so it will be the convenience to remember you and take a to note down every. This is our branches at Vizag and Kolkata. The phone numbers, mail IDs, and the address have been given on the screen. This is a WhatsApp QR scanner. You can scan the QR code, and the mail ID and the phone numbers have been given on the screen. You can take down the screenshot and share your resume or inquiry. You can call for inquiry purpose also. This is our website www.seagullgroup.in. So you can share your resume on this website, or you can visit our website and get the details from the requirement. Our digital presence we have on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. You can visit our in the digital presence website and the pages. You can share your resume over there also, and you can get the details uh, about the requirement and the overseas. Please go to the post, and the number which I have given on the post, please contact that only for your requirement. Thank you for joining us. Thank you so much, viewers, for joining us and supporting us. Happy enjoy your weekend. Bye bye. Enjoy your weekend.